Who doesn't love chutneys, especially if they are so yummy? I've already shown you two types of parangika or pumpkin chutney. Hello friends, today let's make a chutney which is so yummy and a totally different combination. This combination just rocks. So to hot oil I'm adding some red chilies and I'm removing them from the flame, and to the same hot oil here go methi seeds and kaddu or red pumpkin. Saute for about 2 minutes. Add half cup raw mangoes chopped. Cover and cook on a low flame for about a minute and switch off the flame. 1/4 cup roasted gram to a mixer jar, red chilies, salt and some jaggeries. First blend it and now add the vegetables that we cooked. Blend. Now let's temper with mustard seeds, urad dal, a red chili, curry leaves, and add this tempering to the chutney. Do give this a try. The slight sweetness of the pumpkin, the sourness of the mango makes it so yummy. Thank you so much for watching this delicious kitchen. See you soon.